Hello, today I'm very excited to review 3 different samples provided by Mr. Pen. This is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and I would like to start with this color. It's blue and like an orangey color. It's very pretty. This is how the pen looks. It writes black, 0.7 mm for the ink, for the point. This is how it looks. This is how it writes. It writes in black ink. It's very smooth. And what I love about these pens is that they make a perfect gift. They come with a little package. It's a nice presentation. They also come with a mustache here, the mustache, and you just slide the pen inside. It's a great gift for a teacher, for an executive, if you want to sign fine documents, important documents. All you have to do is take this pretty pen everywhere with you, take notes. They also come with different colors, like this one slides into this box, and this is like a color olive and like a little nude. And I'm just sliding it off. I'm doing here an unboxing video for this pen, and this is the top. This one doesn't do anything. It doesn't go on and off. And last but not least, we have the blue and green, the mustache, and this is how it looks. They all write the same, black ink, very stylish. I enjoy using the pens. I enjoy taking notes with them if I go to a conference. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.